Welcome to Cooking a Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday. We will cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make peanut butter cookies. We're going to start by sifting 1.5 cups of flour and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And we just give it a tiny whisk together. Now to the bowl. For a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of regular sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted room temp butter. And we're going to cream them together. Now with the butter and sugars creamed together, we're going to add in 1 cup of peanut butter, and the flour that we mixed with the baking soda. Now we're just going to combine those together. And now we're going to add in 1 room temp egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now with all those mixed together, move that to the side. Now it's time to roll out the cookies. You can do it by hand, or I'm going to cheat and use this right here. We want about an inch. We want about an inch ball. I'll place it on the cookie sheet. Now we're going to take a fork and press a cross pattern into each cookie. And we're going to bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. And once they're done out of the oven, we're going to let them sit and cool down completely, or else they're going to fall apart when you try to take them off the mat. And now that they've cooled down, we got them off the baking sheet. There ain't nothing left to do but get a big old glass of milk, and it's time to eat. It's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a really good cookie. Now, I ended up with about 30 cookies, but I used that portion scoop. So, depending on how big or how small you make them, depends on how much cookies you get per out of this batch. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.